How to factory reset an Avantree Relay for your Bluetooth headphones in case your headphones are not connecting or it won't connect to another device, a Bluetooth device, or it keeps disconnecting or it's connecting to the wrong thing. A hard factory reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues, and it's very easy to do. We're going to make sure that our relay is on, and then with it on, we're going to come in and press the plus and the minus buttons, or the volume up, volume down buttons, and just hold them simultaneously for about 6 seconds. Just keep holding it until the lights for both of the headsets, number 1 and number 2, when both of them turn red and blue for 3 seconds. It might look pink or purplish because of the red and blue together, but they'll turn red and blue simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Then it will go back into pairing mode, indicating that the reset is complete, which means it will start flashing between red and blue. And you can go ahead and pair these up like it's a brand new relay. And if you want one of these relays, I'll put a link in a pinned comment to where you can get the best price on it.